What up, crypto lovers and enthusiasts? Happy day today. As predicted, Bitcoin reached 70,000. Right now, it's just a smidge, just under 70,000. We're going to take a look at that as we get closer and closer to election results at some point. I'm thinking Trump is going to win, but we'll see. And we're going to take a look at some altcoins, some meme coins, the ones that we've been looking at, see what's going on with them, because I think those guys are the clear winners. They are going to do extremely well, and you really want to be positioned because, as I've been mentioning, we have the best part of this upcycle, of this bull market, which is the bull run, a year of up only. Essentially, obviously, in between times of up only, there's still times where things come down, but for the most part, up only, okay, where people make a lot of money. So let's take a look at what the charts are saying, what the market is saying, and I'll give you my analysis. And so without further ado, let's do this. All right, Bitcoin. So I thought that today we would see a green day due to the elections, due to the hype of the elections, and on top of that, I think tomorrow or the next day we're going to see basis cuts. All right, we're going to see basis cuts. So those are all bullish things, because if Trump wins, this thing is going to go higher, and the minimum 25 basis point cut is going to help the markets. They're looking 6 months in ahead, and so they're gonna see that as bullish. And so I think this week still we could come up here and probably try to break it. And if we do see that, that would be a V-shaped recovery, which is really a really strong thing. But we've seen this already. I say this is the beginning of the up only. Okay, we've seen this like that. Boom, boom. And this could be something that's very similar. Okay, because of the other catalyst. All right, Bitcoin today went as high as 70,500. All right. Dollar. Okay, so as we speculated, this could have been the top, and so far so good. I think the next area of support would be 102.91. That's positive, guys. That's very positive. Green day for the Dow. Nasdaq also finished very green. Markets are looking good, and S&P 500 also green, closing this gap right here, which I think it probably will with Trump winning. By the way, I am politically agnostic. I care about people, not about politics. Market dominance, but I do want what's best for crypto. That's messed up, right? Market cap, Bitcoin dominance. I think we're gonna go higher. Do we touch 65 or 70? This market, I think it's possible. But others, right? What we're looking at, the altcoins, look at this nice surge too, just like Bitcoin. Tested again. If Bitcoin goes up, others are going to go up, man. Believe that. Okay, so there we are. That's the whole Bitcoin spiel. Let's take a look at what we came for. Altcoins, Megals, guys. Megals is looking extremely strong. The last time we lost this line right here, represented today's price of 0.022. The last time we lost this line, we went way down here. We touched the bottom of this channel that we see, right? This time we lost it, and we only spent a couple of days, and now we're right back up. That should tell you a lot, guys. Megals is gonna be I don't know how many times I gotta say it. We gotta go back to Toshi, KitKat. They're all having green days. Dogging me, they're all having green days, especially dogging me a couple of green days in a row, guys. Doesn't mean that this is it and it's gonna start moving up, but I mean, it just shows a lot of life, right? Apple, the same thing, right at this drop, 0.0068. Down here is probably the most ideal spots to get them, and came right back up. Okay, it doesn't mean that we can't stay right around here and play for a little while longer. But it does mean there's a lot of strength, there's a lot of support right here, and I think from here is where it's probably going to base out, where it is basing out, and eventually start moving up after this big pump, guys. All right. I don't know what else. I don't know how clear I can be, how much I could just shake somebody out there and be like, listen, buy crypto, because it's going to change your life if you let it. All right, and if you position yourself correctly. I'd be looking at some non-meme plays. Let's take a look at a couple. I'd be looking at LandShare. I like LandShare, $1.32. I like that. UBXS, I like it at 0.08 cents. RWAs are going to get their time to shine. Prop base, I still like prop base at 0.09 cents. All right, I no longer like Trias, although Trias could do something. This is like my heaviest one, my highest conviction play, and it's just disappointed. But hey, I got to go with what I see, right? And I can't just blindly love something if it does nothing, right? This is what have you done for me lately type of thing. Another one, Rio. I think Rio is not necessarily cooked, could be a double bottom, local double bottom, right? But the high is not going to be as high as I thought. I thought it could get to $80 Rio. I don't think it's going to get there anymore. I don't know if it gets to even 20, maybe 15 bucks, 10 bucks. You're gonna make some money. It's at 66 cents right now, obviously, but maybe more, maybe a little more, 10, 20 bucks maybe, right? But there are other plays. You know, for example, again, Miggles, Keycat, Toshi, Dog and Me. These things are gonna explode, guys. These things are gonna explode. Gaming, I think, is gonna have their day in the sun too. Microcaps like Soonverse, right, where it's at right now in this triangle, had this big fake out, came back into this triangle, and we're closing in on the end of the triangle, and eventually I think this is gonna go up. Soonverse, microcap, okay. Creo Engine, I think, is gonna do extremely well. It's in this zone right here, this triangle part, all right, the bottom part of it. I think from here, this is where it more or less is gonna base, and eventually gonna start moving back up, guys. All right, so these are things that I'd be looking at more so the memes than anything else, guys. Come on, let's get with the times here. Oh, what happened here? And what else would I be looking at here? Maybe some different plays here. I'd say Band. I'd say Band would be an interesting one. 21.8 million market cap. Comedian, pretty good area to buy, I think. Although it could drop more, it could drop to 0.012 cents. It'd be something to maybe not put a whole lot of capital into it, but something, right? These things could pump and pump hard if they take off, guys. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin and call it a day. Looks really bullish. It looks extremely bullish to me. Let's see when this closes. This will close shortly. If we close above 69,179, then I can definitely picture us really staying in this area and breaking through this week, maybe next week, the latest. All right, you heard it here first. Let's see what happens, guys. If you can, please like, please subscribe, please leave a comment. I'm trying to grow this channel, and all that stuff really does help. I think I have some great information. I think I've been really good at giving you an idea of what's going on with Bitcoin, crypto markets. So let people know. All right, try to help me grow this channel. Leave likes, leave comments. All right, and subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. Have a good one. Peace.